Yeah, so just gonna go over what a couple of these controls here are for. You've got your forward, you got your reverse, you've got your shoot up and down. Also, it's electric power assist with this model as well. You get your starting choke right here on the right hand side. You've got your auger switch right here. Okay, so most people when they get these machines, or most people when they're first starting to use these machines aren't really all that used to it, as it is new to them. But the best way to start off this machine is in neutral. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to leave that in neutral. You're going to take your left switch here, go all the way down. Okay, so right now you've got your forward and your reverse that is functioning. Okay, so always leave it in neutral, like I say, that way then you're not moving the machine. Flip this switch back, that engages your auger. Okay, so at any time right now this auger is moving. Now one thing that is very convenient with this machine is one hand on right here, everything is moving. You got your auger and your drive functions available, ready to use. Forward, reverse, take your time, there's no rush. Forward and reverse. Okay, so it is a great function, very nice one-handed. Also right here, this trigger right here, you can see it's for your down pressure. Okay, so if you are into some heavy snow and you just want, you just want to have the machine pointed down, you get really down there, up, your down pressure is applied right now. Like I said, that's going to scrape every little bit of snow that's on your driveway to an extent. Or you can drop it down to a different setting as well, a little less down pressure. But like I say, that is nice if you're into some hard packed snow. So like I say, you're not fighting with the machine, you let the machine do the work, you don't do the work with these machines. It's different with the track drive, because versus tires, you're all over the place. With this machine here, it's very little effort. Okay, all right, so I will say too that the drift cutter does come factory on this snowblower. It's not an added option, they do come factory. It's a 28-inch wide cut. You do have your scraper here as well, which is a nice little added bonus for getting in and clearing out your chute and your impeller. One thing that I will tell you guys though about these snow blowers and the 6s and the 13s that we offer as well is that when people start using these new and they're not used to them, is that they are going into the snow way too fast. And what happens is there's too much snow in the bucket, it cannot get through the augers, the impeller, in the speed that you want it to get through. So you need to take your time with that. You'll notice the machine will start to bog, back out, and take it a little slower. Because like I say, it's something to get used to with these machines. It is different. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up the video here on the 10 horsepower Yamaha Snowblower. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.